in enhancing the architectural design process, as I said. So, generative design is the first part where we use this text to image generators, which we does anyone use text to image generators? Yeah, good part. Anyone else? No, right? Okay. So I'll be sharing a list of the applications or websites which we at student level can use to make our lives easy. So basically, what is generative design? So we there are some websites created and where we give input, a text input, like the for example the image here is generated from a website called Mid Journey. So the prompt given here was reimagine the bridges of Rome in a futuristic style. So I had to give a definition and a style maybe for which I want the output, and this image was generated. So this was my start of point for a competition. So the competition was to reimagine or redesign some heritage city. So I had to means the startup for my point was to redesign or reimagine the bridges of Rome. So I had to give a command to the website, and this was the output which I at my personal level like the most, and this so I had to develop it furthermore. But to start off with my design, and yeah, this was the image. The second aspect is parametric design. So, parametric design, as we all know, the Rhino is anyone familiar with Rhino and Grasshopper? Yes. So, that's what parametric design is. We know that worldwide parametric design is used nowadays to enhance the architecture. The third aspect is computational design, which we all know is the same, and AI algorithms are used to generate designs. Okay, so coming to the personal insights and projects. So the first image over here is I wanted to design a primary school. So I just had to give a command, and this was the image produced. So starting off with it, I actually knew what my building would look like. So I just had to create floor plans and elevations and sections. So it's just easier for you guys to imagine of how your project is going to look like, right? The second one is again reimagining the bridges of Rome, and the third same. Next one, this is the image 5 is about imaginating the facades with a theme of ocean. So I wanted to design a facade which had the theme of ocean or something. So here that there's a drawback about artificial intelligence, that it doesn't always give you the correct image that we want. So this image is put up here because I want to tell you that there are drawbacks too. The image 6 is for a competition entry which shows that housing design on Mars. So that was the start of point for the competition. But again, as I said, it's a drawback of artificial intelligence that uh, it did not give the exact image what I wanted, but yeah, it is. It's kind of more of fictional side. The next is again a facade design for in mosaic patterns for a hotel. So this was the output I got. The image it shows stump design competition. I had registered myself for stump design competition, and I just had to give a prompt on the image, and I got the I had four outputs in the on the website, and I selected this one, and then worked further on it. I had to develop plans, plans and elevations and SketchUp model, and I had modified it myself and then went further to it. But I just want to tell you guys that it's just a start point to start with AI, and then the Image 9 shows the Sparrow House design competition. So these were the outputs I got, and basically you just save your time. Uh, so every time we have to start any project, we go to Pinterest or Chrome or this or that, but not wasting time on that and just typing whatever you want, and you get the pictures and you select one, you enhance them, you modify them as you want, and you get the output. It's just as simple as that. Sometimes we are stuck that how my building would look like or anything else, but this is just at your fingertips that you use artificial intelligence and it's done. Okay, so starting off with it, I had my research on integrating artificial intelligence in architectural education and practice. Perspectives from students, professors, and practitioners. So basically, what I did here was I had a survey with students, the faculty, and the practitioners who were outside, and so basically, uh, what we have is the many of us at student level are not that familiar with AI, and which is very poor thing for right now because everyone abroad are using AI already. So I think that personally in India we need to promote artificial intelligence in the education as well as practice. As we can see in this hall right now, many of us don't know what artificial intelligence is, what Rhino is, what computational design is, what algorithms are used in architecture. So I guess we need to buck up maybe to cope with all over the world, because after all we are the competitors around the world and we have a very large domain to compete with. So yeah. As you can see, these are the outcomes of my research. I'll give you a time to have a look and realize it by yourself that where we stand at and what are we doing. So there are some feedback from the faculty and professionals that integration of AI might influence architectural creativity and the design thinking process. Is there any faculty in house, please? Yes. So, what are your views on artificial intelligence, if you know anything?
See, basically, whatever is generated by still, what I feel is the human touch is very important. Means machine एक design that is not a true design. Whatever you derive, that is also I think is important because you are dealing with emotions. No matter you are designing a house, you are designing any product, you are designing any item, furniture item, whatever. इसने कंप्यूटर ने बनाया मतलब वो फाइनल है ऐसे नहीं. It is what I feel. Everyone can be having his own perspective.
Yes, sir, definitely. So, collaboration between architectural institutions and AI developers could lead to innovative solutions in the field. So, basically, for this part, I would like to say that somewhere or the other, every other industry is growing as fast as they could, but architecture at some point of time we feel that the architectural education lacks somewhere in the growth or the technology which we use. So that's what this research was all about, and these are the some websites and how we as student level can use those to ease our education. So if you guys want, I can share these to you guys if you want. So basically these are just some cheat codes I would like to say to ease our education life, and this was more of unofficial thing. So it's, I'm sorry that we have professors here, and I had displayed the cheat code to them too, but yeah, that's it. Challenges and future prospects, as I said, there are some ethical considerations which we have to take in consideration. The adaptation and integration, adapting traditional workflows to integrate AI tools. As I said, ki yeah, there are difficulties. Many of times my faculty said that it's just a machine created and what's your input, but I said that I have created the plans, sections, elevations, and it's just the view which the the computer has generated. So they are like, no, where is your thinking then? I said, sir, it's the plan, section, elevation. I have arranged the places. I have it is just giving me a insight of how my building would look like, right? So yeah, there's a debate in our college at my level that no, you have not designed it and stuff. So I would more of I'm not encouraging artificial intelligence, nor I'm just telling the scenario in our educational level, maybe. Yeah. The future prospects, emerging technologies, as we know that everything and anything we are seeing today is artificial intelligence right now. Below we have a stall of AR, VR, and MR. That is artificial intelligence too. We just have to create the environments and we put a headgear and we are into that environment. So this is the future and AI and sustainable design. Yes, there are many more tools in the chart too, which say that we can test our buildings actually just by uploading our models, that how much sustainable the building is, and how we can optimize the energy consumption in the building. The next, challenges in integration. Ethical considerations, again, adaptation and integration, data security and privacy. Future of AI in architecture. The artificial intelligence will change the basics, like how we live, how we eat, how we walk, everything. Parametric architecture will become more common. It has become more common, all thanks to Zahadid and the basically everyone in the the all the big firms are already using artificial intelligence to elevate their designs. But okay, construction will become much easier and faster, all thanks to BI and building information modeling and AR VR. Smart cities will pop up everywhere. Artificial intelligence will change your home. We already have such technologies in our homes, not in India but abroad. Uh, like, thank you. That's it. So if you guys I wanted to have a workshop, hands-on workshop, but I could not because not everyone has a laptop over here, and yeah. So if you guys want the Excel sheet, you can contact me. I'll share you the Excel sheet, and yeah, that's it from my side. Thank you.